Please silence your cell phones.
There's a right way to put this in and a wrong way. There's gonna be 4 pins, and then on the other side there's gonna be 6 pins, and you're gonna want to put this in upside down. This is right side up, this is upside down. There's 2 slots, one big slot, and then on the right side there's a smaller slot. That's where the 6 pins are gonna go. Alright, so I have it turned upside down. I'm going to stick it in. That's what she said. Just a little bit of force until it clicks in. And that's it. And then you have the screw that should come with it. Now, the launcher goes right here. 2 big screws go here, here. All the screws go around, and then these last 6. And the other part as well. Okay. If you guys found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have this laptop, I can make a bunch of videos on it. Let me know what you guys want. Now I'm going to format the drive in Windows. If you guys want to see that, stick around. I'll make another video on that right now.
Hang on to your seats.